Hello students, how are you? Year 3 students. Hope we are fine. Okay, yesterday sir asked you to read page number 40. Did you read, all of you? I believe you already read this page. It's only very simple page 1. Okay, now we're going to see what are the thing in this page. Okay, actually in this page there is a classes of food. And these food are divided to different classes, which is 7 groups, which is carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, fiber, and water. Now we're going to see one by one what is carbohydrate, what is protein, what is fat, what is minerals, what is vitamins, what is fiber, and what is water. Now we're going to see examples of these foods. Okay. So as Sir just said just now and as you learned before, the foods are classified to 7, which is carbohydrate, protein, fats, mineral, vitamins, fiber, and water. Now we're going to see carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Rice is carbohydrate. Rice is our main food. Every day we are taking rice. So rice is carbohydrate. Bread is carbohydrate. Sugar is carbohydrate. And many more carbohydrate foods. You can find it out in Google. Now we go into the protein food. Protein food, first of all, we are taking fish. Next is eggs. Next one is tofu. And then chicken. These all foods are rich of protein foods. Now we're going to see fat. So fat food, lamb, mutton, fast food like this burger, nuggets, wedges, french fries, and butter, and many other food that you can find out in Google. Next is minerals. Minerals, we have a lot of minerals. First one is calcium. Here you can see what are the food that rich of calcium: kale, soy milk, rice milk, orange juice, sesame seeds, almond, spinach, chia seeds, and tofu. Next one is iron. This is under minerals also. So you can see from here the same food are repeating like potatoes, mushrooms, oats, olives, nuts. So these foods all are rich of iron. And now zinc. Seeds also, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, mushrooms, garlic, spinach, yogurt. Potassium also under minerals. Avocado, banana, potatoes, spinach, fish, juice, and beans. Magnesium foods, you can see from here: chocolates, banana, avocado. This one is almond, oats. This one sunflower seeds, spinach, and all these legumes, and also the cashew nuts. And now we go to vitamins. Vitamins got several vitamins, which is A, B, C, D, E, K. Now you can see from here which food are rich of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. All these vitamins are very essential to our body. Now you can see fiber. Most of food we are eating contains fiber. This fiber will help us for digestion. You can see there is a lot of fruits and vegetables are helping to us to get the fiber. And the last one is water. Apart from water, we drink every day, juices, whatever. And these food are full of water, which is cucumber. You can see here spinach, broccoli, strawberry, tomato, pear. All of these fruits are full of water. And other than that, you can find it out in Google, the types of food. You can Google it and find out which are the food are rich of which element. So today we are stop here our lessons. So thank you for watching the video. So be prepared with this video. Sir will come up with the questions tomorrow. Thank you, students.